Hey everybody, this is Melina from scrapbookingwithme.com, and I am here in Mama's channel. You are not seeing things. I'm on E's channel. I wanted to come to you before she has a few announcements to make. Before she does that, I wanted to come to you and show you a few new collections that we have and restocks that we have in the shop. This is the Paper Boutique Spring Sunshine collection, and this is the decorative papers at 6x6. No, it's 8x8. Look at there. It's 8x8. It has 6 designs, 36 sheets in it. And that is what, look at those little watering cans, how cute. The feathers. And it's a very pale color, so it's not too bright. I really like that. That's the 8x8 pad. And then we also have the A4 pack, and it has 40 sheets in it. And this is the insert collection. So, like, you could fold that in half, make a card base with it. These are not together at the top, so they're a little harder to go through. But these have beautiful borders on them and sheets that you can turn sideways and this way and that way to make different kinds of cards and flip outs in your journals. They are one-sided on the A4. They are on the 8x8 also. So it's one-sided. So you get 10 designs and 40 sheets in that one. Very pretty paper. Okay. And then we also have the Embellishment Pad from the same collection, 36 sheets. And this one has cut-aparts. Y'all know, if you watch me on my channel, I love cut-apart paper. So there's borders. There's little sentiments to make cards with. You could put the little sentiments on there. Those are cute. Very pretty paper in that Embellishment Pad. So that is the Spring Sunshine collection from the Paper Boutique. Then we're going to go over one other new collection we have from the Paper Boutique. But first, I wanted to tell you that we have restocked the Blue Fern Compositions cardstock. And this is heavyweight. Anybody out there that has Blue Fern and has had any Blue Fern in the past knows that this stuff is very thick. It is heavy duty cardstock. And this is the Compositions collection. I'm going to show you both sides. Beautiful papers. Very distressed looking, but of course it is smooth. It just looks distressed. Very pretty papers. We have this collection from Blue Fern. There's a cut apart, very pretty. And then we also have another, oh, that's pretty. Go ahead and leave it that way. And then that one. And then we also have the Blue Fern Bird Waltz collection. Let me put the composition collection aside. This was composition. This is Bird Waltz. And you get one design of each of the 10 designs in the pack that you get. Very pretty. I love all the distressing on it. That cut apart is very pretty. I have this at home. I have a pack of this, so be watching for a video on my channel of these. Beautiful butterflies, which you all know is Mother's favorite. And that lace on that, very pretty. Okay, so that is the Bird Waltz from Blue Fern, and then that was the Compositions that I just showed you from Blue Fern. And then we have this collection from the Paper Boutique. It is Bumblebees Dance. These are the cutest little papers, and once I get to this 12x12, you're going to think, oh, I have to have that, especially if you're a card maker. This is the Embellishment Pad, 8x8, 36 sheets. You get 6 designs of each paper, and it has like in that Spring Sunshine collection, it has the little cut-aparts and the sentiments in it that you can add to cards. Look at that, how cute. Bumblebee. Very cute. All kinds of little cut-aparts and embellishments and little accents that you can add to your paper projects. So that's the embellishment pad for Bumblebees Dance. Then we also have a little 6x6 pad. This is darling to add to card fronts. And it's got all of the different designs. And these are one-sided, single-sided sheets. So white on the back side, and then all these darling little designs in that 6x6 pad. You get 36 sheets and 6 different designs. Then there is the 8x8 pad that is the decorative papers. So it looks just like the 6x6, but you're just getting it in the 8x8 form. And this is also 36 sheets, 6 designs. And so it has the same designed paper as that 6x6 I just showed you. That bumblebee is so cute. Very pretty. All right, then we have the A4 insert collection. So just like Spring Sunshine, this one is going to have, these are loose, so I can't flip like I was on the other one. These have designs where you can fold them in half and make journal pages or make cards, and they are single-sided, so white on the back. Cute little bumblebee and floral designs with that purple and mustard color that is so in right now. Very pretty. So that is 40 sheets in the A4 collection, 10 designs from the Paper Boutique. Then this little beauty right here, y'all are going to love this, especially like it says on there if you're a card maker. This is the card making pad. There are 36 sheets, 6 designs of the Bumblebees Dance. This is the 12x12 paper pad from the Paper Boutique. And there are cut aparts. Let me try to get it so it's, there we go. Cut aparts in it. And then there are sectioned off papers in there. Beautiful bumblebee paper with hexagon, little hexagon background. Very pretty. A floral, a plaid, more cut aparts. I love that one. That's so pretty. That bumblebee's got a bunch of just intricate design to it, little details. Okay, so you have all of that, and it is repetitive, so you're going to get 36 sheets and 6 different designs. So you will get 6 of each paper in that. Very pretty. I would think if you're a card maker, you at least need the 12x12 pad and then the insert, A4 insert pad. That's going to get you bunches and bunches and bunches of cards. And then, you know, the embellishment pad is going to get you all of those sentiments, so you don't even have to stamp. There's your sentiments right there. So if you get the card maker's 12x12 pad, then the A4 pad to get you the card fronts, and then the embellishment pad, you are going to be making cards forever and a day with that. And it is beautiful, beautiful papers. I just wanted to show you what's new in the shop, and then I guess I'll give the channel back to Mama, and she can go over with you a couple of other details and the winner of the giveaway. So here's Mom.
All right, I got my channel back. I made Melina move. No, I wanted her to go over all of these collections with you guys, just because I knew that she could do a little bit of better job than me. But you got to get some of those, because if you don't, I'm going to be using every one of them, especially the bumblebee. We got to make a bumblebee journal. All right, where's my bucket? There are a ton of people who entered for the Ease March Challenge. This bucket's full. Melina and Brandon cut these up for me and put them in here. So we're going to draw for this in just a minute, but I have something I want to tell you first. Brandon, I'm going to let Brandon tell about it because he does a little bit better job about that than I do. But anybody who knows me and who watches my channel also knows Aaron, our grandson. He is going to be live on Facebook, and I'm going to let Brandon tell you a little bit about it and when it's going to be and all that kind of stuff. And we'll put a link below so that you can just click on that link and go over. It's in their group page. That's where he's going to be live, and it'll be this Friday night. So listen, Brandon's going to tell you about it.
Hey guys, this is Brandon. Thanks for tuning in. Let me tell you just a little bit about the event. As most of you may know, April is Autism Awareness Month, and that's been a challenge in our son's life, but he's been able to overcome many obstacles. And one of the things we want to do is Friday, which will be April the 16th at 7 p.m. Central Time, we will go live on our Facebook page. It's at the Pilot, P-Y-L-A-N-T, family, at the Pilot family. You go to our Facebook page, like it if you would, and then also share it. And Aaron will be doing a full concert. I'm talking, he may take some requests if he's able to do them, but he's got a lineup of songs, and so he's going to sing. He's going to share some things. We're going to allow maybe a question and answer session. Everything about Aaron and his life, we're going to try to share, and we want you to be involved. And so, yes, so also he has a CD. We have CDs. You can shop there. So all kinds of things. You can keep up with what we do. We try to do some things live every so often. And so, but, it's more than just the ministry. It's also an outreach to let people know there's hope no matter what you're going through in your life. And we hope that you can tune in. It'd be an inspiration. If you know someone that has special needs, I believe it would inspire them, encourage the family. I know a lot of times families need encouragement as they go through this process of life also with special needs. So again, we want to extend to you a invitation Friday, April the 16th. It's just 2 days away, 7 p.m. Central Time at the Pilot Family Facebook page. Thanks.
All right, can you tell that he's a preacher? You can tell that he has got that speaking voice, doesn't he? That's something that I haven't learned how to do yet, but I'm not a preacher either. All right, we're going to draw for the Ease March Challenge. Now, what we're giving away is a $50 gift card to our store. You don't have to be U.S. based. It is international, so anywhere you live, if you joined, your name is in here. If you participated in the challenge, your name is in here, and we are going to draw for a winner. Now, if I can't pronounce your name, what I will do, I think I'm going to dump them out on here. That bucket's a little bit small, and then I'm just going to mix them up. I'll hold it up to the camera so that you'll be able to see the name. You have 48 hours from the time that this video goes live to contact me by email, and my email will be below. So all you need to do is contact me through that email and say, I won, and give me your name and your email address, and I will get your card to you. Okay, I'm going to turn my head.
I was about to say, Mommy, you got to turn your head away.
I'm turning my head. Melina, tell them I'm turning my head.
Yep, she's looking at Daddy's desk.
And there's one right there. Now, some of these I wrote and some of them Melina typed, so the one she typed is going to be a whole lot better. Pamela Hinesworth. I think you can see that one real well. You are the winner for the $50 gift card. Now, if Pamela doesn't contact us within 48 hours from the time this video goes live, then we will draw another name. So we'll save these and we'll draw another name if she doesn't contact us within that time. Make sure, Pamela, that you are a subscriber to our channel because we do check that. So any of you who participate in our giveaways, you have to be a subscriber to our YouTube channel. That's just kind of one of YouTube's rules too. We're not supposed to have any giveaways unless the people are subscribed to our channels and that kind of thing. So just make sure that you're a subscriber. Thanks to Melina and Brandon. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to tune in for Erin's Live on Friday night. I'm going to be on there and I will be talking to you guys. So if you come on, just say, hey Edith, or hey Melina, or hey Brandon, whoever, and we'll talk back to you. So we won't talk back to you. That didn't sound too good. We won't talk back to you. We will reply to you. We will chat in the comments. How does that sound? So you'll get to enjoy some beautiful music from our grandson. This is his talent, I think a God-given talent for him. If any of you, a lot of you have purchased his CDs, and we will have those CDs for sale too that night. So if any of you want to purchase one of them, they will be for sale and we'll ship them out here from the store. Also, his concert is going to be held right here in our store. So you won't get to see a lot of that because they're going to put up backdrops and that kind of thing. So you won't see all of the stuff behind him that would distract you, but it will be coming to you live right here from our store. So we will see you guys Friday night, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching, and thank all of you who participated in our challenge for March. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.